Hi, I'm Brendan Raymer. Welcome to the Tulip Experience Center. Today I'll be showing how we use AI agents to optimize our scheduling of our 3D prints. Behind the scenes, an AI agent in Tulip Automations is continuously analyzing our print schedule, resource availability, and order priorities to automatically schedule our orders. Watch as new orders arrive. The AI will automatically schedule the order onto our schedule for the printers. After it's scheduled, the operator can actually manually change it as well, so the operator stays in control at all times. The system doesn't create just a static schedule. If any factors change, like a new order has a higher priority, it can actually change the schedule based on that as well, being dynamic and adjusting as needed. And this is using Tulip's new AI agents and automations feature, just interacting with our tables to create an optimal schedule for our 3D prints. This AI-driven approach transforms this process from a manual process that's reactive to a more proactive, AI-driven approach. So the operator can view the schedule and make adjustments rather than scheduling it indiscriminately. This results in higher throughput, reduced changeover waste, and greater machine uptime.